Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear signal light bulb on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. First, open the tailgate. Remove these two bolts using a T30 Torx bit. There's a pin right here that comes out this way, so we need to disengage it. You can either grab the light and pull on it with your hands, or you can use a trim tool like this just to gently pop it out. So now this light housing is free. The rear signal bulb is this one right here in the middle. So turn it counterclockwise like this and get it out of the housing. And you can rest it back here so you can work on it. And then grab the bulb and just pull it straight out. Don't get hit in the face with a light assembly. And the replacement part is 3157A. And you can check the links below the video for where to find the replacement light bulb for this. Grab your replacement bulb and you can install it either way. It doesn't matter which way it goes in, it will work fine. So just push it in until it stops. And then you can see there's a large tab right here and there's a large cutout here. So line those up and then turn it clockwise until it stops and you can put the housing back. And then these are the two tabs that we need to install into these two grommets right here for the light to clip in. This wire goes in here and then install the two claws into the grommets. Now reinstall these two bolts with the T30 Torx heads and tighten them. The manufacturer does not provide a torque spec for them, so they just go into little clips on a plastic light, so they don't need to be super tight, maybe like 5 or 7 foot-pounds, but just snug them up until they feel like they're not going to loosen themselves on their own. Okay, and now we can close the tailgate, and that's it. The job is completed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Toyota Tundra maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.